So today we will understand how to install the ink cartridge in an NV6020 HP printer. First of all, you have this printer with you and this is the lock. You need to lift this up and make sure that your cartridges are aligned here like this, and you have to remove both the cartridges from here. Take out the cartridges and then you can simply remove. See, this is the new cartridge and it has this safety feature over here. You need to remove this ribbon and then take this cartridge and properly install it here, and you can dock it in. Similarly, this is black one and the black ink is here. So this is the new black cartridge. It has a cap over it, so you can remove this cap. And similarly, it also has a ribbon on its tip here, so you need to remove this ribbon and you can install it here like this simply. So both the cartridges you see are installed properly, and now you can put it down back, and this is how you can install the cartridges. Thank you so much.